Good day to all Momshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Super Momshies in the world, today I'm going to show you how to create simple gift ideas for Valentine's Day. So if you are ready, please stay with me and we can start the crafting. These are the main materials that we're going to use. Plastic bottles again, we cannot move out from plastic bottles. See how important the plastic bottles that we can create in many things. So sure, we have to cut first this one. Okay, we have this we call this Organza Cloth. You can use any other. This we're going to use it for the gift wrapping. Some accessories that we will use also, these foam sheets and rope ribbons, and of course my sweet scissor and the cutter and the glue gun. If you notice, I just cut to shape the heart. Now we're going to attach this one. be look like this. So we need to cut the excess. So this is how it looks like. It's still not finished because I want to put some heart in this area in the bottom part. So I'm going to cut more heart. Okay, so this is it. Okay, Super Momshies, we have now the heart. So we will start to arrange it. Okay, so this is how it looks like now, my Valentine's gift holder. So I just wanted to add this accessory at the bottom part. Alright, Super Momshies, this is how it looks like. So it's still not done. We will go to the other one. We'll proceed to this other holder. Okay, this one we're going to use the rope. Right, Super Momshies, here we are. We've done already our hearty. Okay, so I will make my gift wrap with the use of this organza cloth. So you see, I have some minis here, mini cosmetics, nail polishes. So it's up to you what you want also to do it. But for me, I want to give somebody with my minis. So I created this holder, and also I want to give some sweet to some little girl, you know. So that's why I created these holders for this Valentine's Day. So I just give you an example. This is how I create my gift to someone I want to give. So it's up to you how you can create as well. I'm just sharing you what I made it for my Valentine's Day. This is my tokens. So this is how it looks like. Super Momshies, I have now my Valentine's gift to someone else. Okay, so before we will end up this video, I would like to shout out, of course, to everybody, to subscribers and non-subscribers, and to silent viewers. Please give me a thumbs up if you did not yet subscribe. Subscribe now, and don't forget to press the bell notification for more new videos updates. Until next time, see you. Babushi.